Hello everyone, welcome to Future Tech Official. In this Python series, I'll teach you Python from the very beginning. No prior programming experience is needed. If you're ready, let's get started. Python is one of the easiest and most popular programming languages in the world. It's used in web development, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, automation, data science, and many other fields.
Quantum phase, we light the world in cyberblaze. Future tech, yeah. We don't guess, we engineer. We invest in the future clear. Building dreams, no limits near. Future tech, next gen 9 with a master key. Powering change with AIC. Advancing the world of tech.
The print function displays text on the screen. Hello world, is the message being displayed. Run the program and show the output. Congratulations! You've written your first Python program. In the next lesson, we'll learn about variables and how to store information in Python. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
From village streets to global stage, we drop the tech and set the pace. We ain't just tools, we the creators, dreaming bigger, thinking greater. Automate, elevate, we future tech, innovate.